What is up guys? If you're ever strapped for cash and are looking for a way to make some quick money on the same day, I have just the thing for you today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you several websites that pay to PayPal in the same day, and in many cases even within a few hours. So the criteria I've set for these websites is that they not only have very low minimum cash out, but also a very fast payout. So they're very good if you want to make some immediate cash and are very easy to do with no skills required. And before we get started with the video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this one, as well as about digital entrepreneurship. And with that, let's get started with the video. So the first website I want to talk about today is called Rewarding Ways. It's similar to other get paid to sites such as Swagbucks, but the rates are quite good for the surveys, and you get a really low minimum cash out at $1. So again, it's really great if you want to make some fast on-demand change. So if we look at the website here, it says instant PayPal available, and you even get other payment options as well if you want that. And they have a large selection of paid surveys that, according to a lot of feedback that I've read on forums and whatnot, actually pay quite well. And you even get a generous 20-cent reward bonus just for joining. And while this might sound fairly standard for a get paid to site, Rewarding Ways is a very solid one in terms of the amount they actually pay per survey and how quickly you can cash out. So if we scroll down here, we can actually see that it says, make money online and get paid the same day, usually in just a few hours. And although this site doesn't offer as many options for making money as say Swagbucks does, for what it does, which is doing surveys and how much it pays and how fast it pays, it's one of the best. And another great thing about this site is that it's actually worldwide, so you can do it from anywhere. But not only that, but many people all around the world have great things to say about Rewarding Ways. So first, if we go to the bottom of the site here, they actually have a list of reviews at an average of 4.79 stars out of 5. Next, if we go ahead and scroll to the top of the site, we'll see that they have a payment proof tab right here, and if we click on it, we'll see that they've paid very recently to lots of people via PayPal. In fact, there's thousands of pages of payments being displayed here. If this isn't proof enough, even better, we can look at some third-party forums to see what people have to say about Rewarding Ways. So if we go ahead and check out this site here, we can see that this is a forum for making money online, and if we scroll down to the bottom, they have a review first of all of Rewarding Ways, but at the bottom there are lots of people who have actually vouched for this site and have very good things to say about it. And if we just check out some examples real quick, we'll see that this person says, I am glad that I found this website and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Totally a legit way to earn some money in your spare time. I would recommend this to anyone 100%. And down here it says, I can also recommend working with Rewarding Ways. I use them to make some extra income and I mostly do surveys on their site. What I like is that they have a good amount of daily surveys and they pay a lot. And down here we can see that this person says, I love Rewarding Ways. It's a great reward site and I'm pretty glad to hear that other people have had the same good experiences. It tells me that Rewarding Ways is consistent. And just to check out one last one, if we scroll right down here, it says, they are legit. I've been using them for about 2 years and they have never missed a single payment. They're in my personal top 10 of survey providers and I fill out their stuff 3 to 4 times a week, I'd say. Okay, occasionally you get disqualified from a survey, but that's normal and no problem at all. So again, Rewarding Ways is super solid, pays out really quickly and quite well, and are a really good choice if you want to make some quick cash. And one very last thing I want to point out about Rewarding Ways is their referrals program, which lots of people have said really helps them accelerate their earnings. And that's because 25% of all of your referrals earnings actually get credited to your account. So basically, of all of your referrers, you get to earn 1/4 of all of their earnings for life. And not only that, the site already gives you links and banners to help you promote your link and attract those referrals. So again, Rewarding Ways, highly recommended for when you're in a pinch, and you can also recommend it to your friends and family when you all need to collect a bit of that beer money. And as for my next two sites, I'm actually not going to spend too much time on them because this might sound kind of funny, but they're both owned by the same company as Rewarding Ways. So the first such website is called superpay.me, and the second one is called offernation.com. And if you look at both websites and compare them with Rewarding Way, you'll find that they're extremely similar, both in terms of doing surveys for money and also how fast they pay and how little of a cash out threshold they have. So now you might ask, what's the point of having all three websites if basically you can just earn on Rewarding Ways? Well, the main reason I think it's good to join all three is that they increase the number of offers that you have available to you. which means you get to pick and choose the ones you want based on length and how much they pay out, and maybe even pick out more interesting topics. Because don't forget, the main advantage that these sites have over your traditional survey sites is that they all have an extremely low cash out amount at $1 each, which means you have more flexibility to be able to work from all three sites instead of being stuck on one site that has a higher cash out amount that you have to work for until you're able to cash out. So you can go ahead and use Rewarding Ways plus SuperPay plus OfferNation to earn some quick cash and have more options for you to pick from. Moving on, I just have one last site to show you, which is called QMe.com, but note that this one is only available in the US, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. But even if you're not from any of these countries, you can still sign up on this website because in the near future they're looking to expand to other countries. So QMe is yet another website that pays out extremely quickly, usually within hours, for doing surveys and the like. But it does offer more options for making money than the sites I've shown you thus far. So if we go ahead and scroll down their page here, first we'll see that they still have surveys that you can take on your laptop or mobile device. And secondly, they have an earn when you shop option, which isn't as relevant to us because we want to earn some money quickly and not to get discounts, but it's still helpful if you want to get some coupons and save some money when you're doing your shopping. And the last one is the one that I'm going to be talking about now, which is earn when you search. So here it says, earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with a free QMe browser app, which you can download on your smartphone, and they also have a free Chrome extension. And if you get that extension or app, it then works on most of the search engines that we use today, like Google and Bing, and also on shopping sites like eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and Target. So what'll actually happen when you're browsing your internet, for example for stylish women's jackets, is that QMe will pop up a tab here that shows affiliate links that are related to your particular search term. And all you have to do with these links in order to earn is just to click on them, and you don't have to even buy anything. So in a sense, they're paying you to read ads, but because they're actually related to your search term, you can actually also benefit from it from seeing things that you might actually be interested in. And if that happens and people actually purchase through these affiliate links, QMe earns a bit of a commission, and that's how they earn money. But again, all you have to do to earn money is not to buy anything, but just to search things up on Google and just click on the links that pop up. And if we look at the testimonials for QMe, we'll see that on the Android store, they actually have a 4.4 stars out of 5, which is really good, and with mostly 5 or 4-star reviews. And if we look at some of the reviews here, we'll see that many people praise it for not only its consistency, but also how quickly you can cash out. And lastly, if we check out the iTunes App Store, we'll see that it's largely the same story, with 4.5 out of 5 stars at 2.8 thousand reviews, with most people highly praising the app. So if you live in any of the countries where QMe is available, it offers a pretty good change of pace from just doing surveys. And you can even earn somewhat passively if you just browse the internet using their Chrome extension for things that you would normally be browsing for anyway. And to conclude my video, for the quickest way to earn some quick money to be able to cash out, doing surveys on Rewarding Ways is probably a bit better, but QMe offers a great change of pace if you get bored of those surveys. And that is all for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hitting that notification bell for more videos just like this one, as well as about digital entrepreneurship. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Peace.